let us start our trick to remember atomic number and element. So first element with atomic number 1 is hydrogen. So for 1, I want that you should consider image laddu. And for hydrogen, consider image hydra, an organism. Now what you have to do? These two images you have to correlate. One is a non-living and other is what? The living. You got one laddu and you went to the dam, and in that dam hydras were swimming, and you have given a piece of the laddu to those hydras and one bite you have taken. So here what is there? Pictures are there, audio is there, video means actions are there, and you are involved in that. So you will remember where laddu, hydra will come. Laddu means 1, hydrogen will be there. Atomic number 1, hydrogen. Is it clear? The element with atomic number 2 is helium. How can we remember that? 2 means, imagine Nike band. Nike, a company. And for helium, imagine head. So now prepare story. You are the tennis player and you have weird Nike band on your head. 2 means helium. Is it clear? Now the element with atomic number 3 is lithium. And for number 3, you have to imagine Mike, not Mike Tyson. Mike is a non-living thing and that we want for the atomic number. And Mike Tyson is a living thing. Are you getting? And for lithium, imagine a king of the jungle, lion. Now you have to prepare the story. Once upon a time, when you went to the jungle, you found a king and their all kingdom means all animals were there and lion was announcing, including you. For number 4, consider image fax machine. And for the element beryllium, the word is, you have to imagine beer, not this. Living thing we want. So imagine this beer. Now you have to prepare story. To communicate to other beer in other jungle, a beer wanted to operate the fax machine, and in order to operate, beer called you. You are helping beer to send a fax from one jungle to other jungle. Now the element with atomic number 5 is boron. For 5, consider image C, SEA. And for boron, consider a player from cricket, bowler. Now how will you prepare a story? You are the bowler and you bowl the ball so wide that ball went in the sea. Now the element with atomic number 6 is carbon. So for 6, imagine car, non-living thing. And for carbon, imagine cartoon, living character. Now how will you prepare story? You are driving a car and as of a sudden, in front of your car, a cartoon Mickey came. Accident took place. Now element with atomic number 7 is nitrogen. So for 7, imagination is tea. And for nitrogen, a nitrogen gas filling center. So you prepare the story. When you were traveling, one time in order to fill a nitrogen air, you went to that garage And when nitrogen air filling is going on, you were enjoying a cup of tea. So tea and nitrogen are related. Is it clear? Okay. Now element with atomic number 8 is oxygen. For number 8, imagine bar. And for oxygen, imagine living thing and ox. Now you have to prepare a story. When you were coming to the home from school, you noted in front of bar, ox was eating plastic. So bar and ox. Is it clear? Now element with atomic number 9 is fluorine. So for number 9, imagine graph. And for fluorine, flower. So what will be your creativity? Imagine on graph paper you are drawing the sketch of flower. The element with atomic number 10 is neon. So for number 10 we have image lorry. And for neon, Nelson Mandela. So what you will imagine now? You have studied so well that Nelson Mandela came to meet you and he was driving lorry. Number 10, lorry means Nelson.